In this video, we are going to be talking about how much YouTube pays for 1,000 plus views. We're going to go into the analytics. We're going to go through things that works and things that don't work. And I'm going to be going in details, so you're going to understand how your analytic works and how you can use them to better your YouTube journey. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this video as at now has 1,342 views. The watch time is 65.9 and subscriber is 2. YouTube recommendation is 1,000. Other YouTube feature 121 and channel page notification and others. This video has 2 spikes and the audience retention is 2 minutes 56 seconds. Real time views is 25 views. So I want to click on the views and see when the video start picking up, because it did not pick up immediately. But let's click on it. So when you click on it, you notice that as at the end of the first day of upload, the video has just 400 views. That's as at first day, right? So the second day, the video picked up from 400 views to 700 views. That's like roughly 200 and something, because it's not just 700 and something. So by the third day, that's 11, it's pushed up to 958 views. So that's like 100 and something views from the third day. So you're noticing that it kept increasing, but it's by the third day it was still less than 1,000. Yes, it was still less than 1,000 by the third day. That is to tell you that YouTube needs time. It needs time. Let me see if I actually change the title. I can't remember if I changed the title, but I believe, let me check again. Nobody diary. I don't think I changed the title. I don't think I changed the title. I don't think I changed the thumbnail also. So by the fourth day, it entered 1K views. What is that telling you? Just chill. Chill for YouTube. Just chill. It takes time. It takes time. It takes time. Chill. But during this chilling process, you can decide to change your thumbnail. You can decide to change your title. But I would advise that you wait like a day or 2 days before you attempt to do that. If your video typically gets like 1,000 plus views in a day, I would advise that if you notice that the views is not picking up, by the end of that day, change your title or your thumbnail, right? But if your video is really within the 1K views, sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, then you can chill for like 2 days, because maybe YouTube is still trying to push your video to those who are actually going to watch it. Because this video, like I said, it was the fourth day that I picked up, but in my head it was a video I was saying, oh, I'm finally learning how to drive, so I believe my audience would want to watch it. Like, this is why they are here, they would want to see this. So by first day it's supposed to be like 1K views. That's what I was thinking. But when I said that nothing's going on, nothing's going on, I was like, let me chill a bit. Like, let me chill. Maybe it will still pick up. Maybe it is just like, maybe my audience are not awake, or they are not online, or YouTube has not pushed it to their front. I was giving myself hope. So by the fourth day, it got to 1,000 views. After 12 days, the video ended up amounting to 1,342. For the reach, we have impression of 29.5. Anytime I see impression, it makes me realize that I was actually looking at it. That was why I did not change my title and my thumbnail. I'm going to explain why. In one of the video I uploaded, I said I was looking at my impression and I saw that my impression was high, but the views was low. So I got worried and I changed it and it picked up, right? But for this particular one, it was actually higher. Like, it was way high. And I was still having like 400, 500 views. And I'm like, this impression is very high. That means people are not watching it. But at the same time, I thought about it that maybe I should just chill. The fact that this thing is just increasing, the impression is increasing, that means the video is a good video, right? People are not just clicking. Maybe just chill. The people that actually The people that would actually watch have not seen the video. When they see it, they'll click on it. Those people that are seeing it are people that, you know, it is not their vibe. And now I just thought about something. If YouTube is pushing this thing that it has 29.5K impression, maybe I should just change the old thumbnail to me driving. I think that's going to make sense. Should we do that and try and see what's going to happen afterward? I think I should do it. So that's going to be the thumbnail and see if people will click on it, because this impression is really high. It's really high. That means, because I also noticed comments from people that are not subscribed to me. And even if this video gave me like, I think, 2 subscribers, I saw people that were commenting that they were not subscribers. And I was like, okay, I like what I'm seeing. Anyways, the impression click through rate is 3.5, definitely, because the video is like 1,000 and the impression is high. So definitely impression click through rate will be low. And content suggesting my video, I can see 3 of my videos and then some other videos. So YouTube search is Black Arab, Madam Arab, Boy Chase Factor, or be focus, Boys Chase Focus. So audience, always 18 to 34. That's the range I'm always getting, and it's always like females. For top geographical location for this video is Nigeria, Indonesia, Japan, and I'm like, I understand why it is Japan. The title is Homebody Diaries, Days in My Life. Finally learning how to drive. That is what those Asian people do. They do this living alone, homebody, and all of that. So that was why, I think that was why it was pushed. Like the impression was really high. I believe so. I want to believe so, because Indonesia, Japan, from where? Brazil, then United Kingdom. Can you believe that? Nigeria is just the top, because that's where most of my audience are from. So returning subscriber for this video is 779. You see why I was worried that why are people not clicking? My audience will actually like this. They want to know that I'm learning how to drive. But can you see my returning viewers? Because like first 2 days, this data is not there. So I was not seeing this to realize that people are clicking or not. So 719, my returning viewers came, and unique viewers 1.1. And why we are here, that's the revenue. The CPM for this video is $2 on dot, and RPM is $0.91, amounting to $1.20. So I believe the RPM is low because of the location: Nigeria, Indonesia, Brazil, Japan. I don't think they are high paying countries and all of that. So it's understandable, but yeah. For 1,000 views, I was able to get $1.20. Um right now we are going to attempt to change our thumbnail and see what happens to the views. Do you get? Let's screenshot what the views is saying right now. So I'm going to do that, and per adventure it increases. I'm going to let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, because I upload practical growth tips to help you grow, and I use my other channel as reference point to let you know that it works. It takes time, but it works. And to let you also know that I know what I'm talking about. So if you want someone to edit your channel, if you want someone to help with your thumbnail, your YouTube banner, edit your videos, you can reach out to me at my email address lily530 at gmail.com. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.